Traders, what we're going to do with this video is we're going to have a look at how to find trading opportunities, trade opportunities, and we'll focus specifically with gold. See this daily chart down here? Let's focus in on this section. I'll put a circle around it. There's going to be a point of interest on the lower time frame. If you go back to this icon here and select it, the drawings will transfer over. So I'm interested in this. Now, daily time frame. Notice a couple of things here. See this white line, the mean? See how we've broken through the mean and we're trading above the mean here. That's important, something to look out for. What we can do is we can bump it up on the trend channel, and that's this midline. So you can increase the intensity of that. As you can see on the left over there, it's a lot stronger. Break above, it's holding above the mean, and we've got these white candles in the daily time frame. White candles giving us this balance area. So you can go through this list and find any daily time frame chart where you see a couple of white candles like this, and have a look and see where it's trading in relation to this midline here, the mean. Over here there's a bearish break, so there was a bearish opportunity. Okay, so when we determine that we might have an opportunity, we'll go down to the lower time frame. On the 4H, this is our area of interest. What does it look like? See here, see this breakout? That's an opportunity right here for our time frame. Daily time frame, we're seeing the range, but the 4 hour, look at the angle of this trend line, 45-degree angle, and the breakout of the cloud. There's two breaks that we get with this indicator. One is a break which generally tells us that there's a shift in the trend, in other words, a changing character. And the second, break number 2 here, generally indicates a break of market structure. This is our point of interest on the 4H. And then we go down the time frames, and I'll happily go to the 15-minute. This is our point of interest here. Let me just take something out. Hold on. 4X sessions. Just going to remove that. Here's our point of interest. That's the break on the 4H, and then the pullback. Now, this is what we're looking for. And look, if the 15-minute is a bit too fast, you can take this on a 30-minute or a 1 hour. But let's just have a look at this. Any one of these green signals is a go-ahead. Why? The daily, the 4 hour stack up, and what we have here is this indicator way down the bottom that's giving us a majority of green bars. That's our multi-time frame indicator, higher time frame. So we want that. The higher time frame is predominantly bullish. This indicator here tells us that the daily and the 4 hour have a strong bullish momentum that meets a certain criteria. So if you see this under, you can take these trades. So we are going to be looking for either this signal here, which indicates that the market's overextended, or we can take this one, which indicates a break. Okay, so now how we trade this? Well, we're going to introduce accumulation distribution levels. Okay, see what's happening here. This is an ideal signal. And you can set this alert. How to set this alert? 15-minute time frame, trend channel, 3 dots, add alert, and this one is extended. It's telling us that the market's extended, and that'll give you both bullish and bearish signals. Once per bar. I like open-ended, that'll do. And then notifications, I take that out and I'll leave this on, because I open up my phone and I can switch on notifications on and off as required on my phone. And then you go create, and that's done. Now the other breakout alert is cloud break 1, so you want to set that one. Same thing, once per bar, and keep the same settings. Create, and then the other one is cloud break number 2, once per bar, and then create. Now I will take this trade. Why? Well, the daily and the 4 hour meet my criteria. Long position somewhere between this candle body wick to the end of the wick, in there. Stop under this green. Notice what we've got here on the indicators. See this very fine orange dotted line? That is a previous weekly high or low. See this yellow? Another yellow. There's another yellow line here as well. This is a previous daily high or low. Mark them up. And you want your stop loss down under at least this green. This is showing a previous support level here. This is a bullish order block on the 15-minute time frame. So you want to go under this order block, and then the outcome, okay, see how it's spiked down in here, and then we're off. I'll just scrunch it up, have a look and see what that looks like, and then the rest is history. And I mean, look at the outcome. So, if you manage it well, wait for the market to rotate. In other words, let's just go to a 30-minute. Okay, you want to see this rotation, and then when it gains a bit of ground, you can pull your stop loss up to break even. Then it's up to you to manage the trade. Now, if you'd left the stop loss where it was, then, look at that. The other thing with this is, while this is giving us the signals, we can continue to add to our position if you want, right? So hold this stop loss level, and at every opportunity, okay, there's a pullback here. Stop loss is in the same spot. Now you can do this, add to your position. If you're looking at a bigger picture, and that will give you a huge payday. Now, once this thing starts to trend, as you can see here, and we see these higher lows, especially this one, that's where you pull your stop loss into the money, and you trail it with this trend here, with this cloud. I hope that makes sense. So you can place your stop loss in the cloud or beyond the cloud, however you want to do it, but you follow these dots up with your stop, and it just went on and on and on and on and on. A little bit of a thing going on here that could look to reverse and give us a pullback, but we'll see. But that's how to get involved. And at the moment we have such an incredible opportunity to have access to our indicators along with our VIP Telegram signals. Head over to the website and click on Join VIP here, and there's a full 30-day free trial. You just click on this subscribe button here. That registers everything. It doesn't bill you until 30 days. And for whatever reason, if you decide this is not for you, I can't imagine why, after you experience the benefits of VIP, but there's the option to cancel this at any time you want. So this is zero risk. You have everything to gain and absolutely nothing to lose. And I would say to you, give this 30 days and see what's possible. Pass your prop firm challenge with it. So when you see the retrace and it starts ranging, then we look for the opportunity, for example, something like that. Okay, guys, with that, look forward to seeing you in VIP. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.